Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this video is about how I make notes, which was requested by my 2 subscribers. I'll cover this video in 4 parts. First, why we should take notes, how I take notes, where should we take notes, thing I use to make notes. Most important is to know why we are doing a particular task, which make our life meaningful. So let's know why we should make notes. If I tell you in scientific manner, then whatever we are studying, our brain only retain its 10%. So if we make notes, then revision become fast. In my 11th class, I don't have made my notes properly. That's why I have wasted my 11th class preparation. Note making is very important. In a particular manner, if I see a syllabus of JEE or board, revising the complete syllabus is not possible yet without notes. If we want to revise the syllabus without notes, then we have to read all the book again, which I think is not practical. So let's move to the second part, how I take notes. If you have seen my previous video, then you may have noticed that while attending lecture, I prepare my notes. I don't like to give the specific time for note making. There is a 2 reasons for it. If I don't take notes while class, I feel sleepy and don't able to attend the class properly. And second, dedicating a special time for note making is very time consuming. I only follow my lecture notes for my JEE preparation. Let's move towards my notes. Let's move to the next question of this video. Where should we take notes? This totally depends on you. Many aspirants use blank pages for their notes. Many aspirants use rule pages for making their notes. I first make notes and I also make flashcards to remember formulas. If you want to know how I make flashcards, then you can see my video how to use flashcard, which I'll pin in I button. Things I use in note making. I make note as simple as possible. I use ball pen, blue pen, black, red, orange and green pen. I also use sticky notes to highlight some important points or my formulas, which you have seen in my notes. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching and keep watching Study Bytes. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.